Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to change account location on Roblox or how to change region in Roblox. So here follow the steps. First of all, go to roblox.com and log into your account. Then click on this settings icon and then click on help and safety. Then go to help center. Then click on Roblox account. I need help with my account. Then here search for account location and then click on account location from the drop down. Now scroll down, then click on support form. Now here you have to enter all the details, your username, first name, email address, confirm email address, device type, then help category type. In help category type select how to, and under help subcategory type select how to change my location, and then you can describe your issue. You can type your description over here. For example, I have written I want to change my account location, and finally click on continue button. So by this way you can change the account location on Roblox, or you can change the region in Roblox. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.